Okay, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to add layers into the farm build mapping component. So I've mapped a farm earlier using farm build, and I've downloaded from GitHub. As you can see, I've got a local server running, so this just runs it in the browser. Don't need any server-side equipment. So here we are. Here's the farm I mapped earlier. This is actually available through the Git repository as a JSON file that you're able to load without having the map. So you can probably see that I've got a couple of extra buttons that I've added here, and here are the layers that I'm talking about. So you can see I've added a few layers, so the bomb weather stations, the Landsat, plan overlay, and the water area. So these two at the top here are from Databricks as WMS services. Landsat is from a geo server as a raster image, and the bomb weather stations, which comes from a GeoJSON file. So I'll demonstrate how straightforward it is to add layers into farm build. Now we use a thing called open layers. So in the head of this HTML page, see this index.html, you can find it in this location here within the GitHub download. Now I've added another bit of code here, so just ignore that. I've just made it unique. So I have added this file, created this from scratch, irrigation.js, and I've added my open layers into this file. So this has got the code for reading a GeoJSON file, Landsat layers. Mind you, I haven't loaded all of these into the mapping module. I'll show you which ones have been added. Now, in the mapping window, I'll show you. I'll turn the Landsat layer on, prove that it works. There you go, there's Landsat image, zoomed out, nice and pretty. And we'll turn that off, and we can see the crosses here, which is the GeoJSON. So like I said, I've created this JavaScript file here. This is the stroke style for the GeoJSON file. Here's the GeoJSON layer, Landsat layer, DataVic. As I mentioned earlier, these are web services I'm connecting to. So in order to add those to the map, like I said earlier, we add it to the head of this HTML page as a source file. And then in the web mapping component, so once again, ignore this 2015 part here. I've just made a copy of the original. So if you go down to about line 1000, I think it is, in the web mapping code in the distribution folder, you'll see there's a function here called create farm layers. Now, these here, you can see these layers here correspond with what I've created here. You can see they've got the same function name. You can see that. So that adds those layers to the map. And there you are. That's how you can add layers to farm build. Thank you.